Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I start working on the Toyota Camry, please help me click that subscribe button and the bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys be updated. So right now the car has a ABS light on, and this one's a 2004 Camry 3.0. So right now I'm in the ABS, and this one's a Bosch. They have two kind, Bosch and Denso. This one is a Bosch, and when I try to communicate with the module, the ABS module, they keep on saying lost communication. So that indicates the either the wire that's bad, it's not giving it power, or no ground, or the module that's going out. I bought another a used one from LKQ, and I believe this is the part number, and this one's Bosch. You see it says Bosch right there. It's another used one. The ABS module is located right next to the coolant reservoir, and there's 4 bolts holding onto it. It's a Torx, so 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts, and 1 connector. Right now I'm checking for power and ground on the connector. I have the key on right now, using my power probe to check for power and ground. Now I'm gonna check it. You can see it says ground, power, power, ground. So that's mean there's power and ground getting into the module, but the module is not reading it back. Now I got my old one out, putting in the other one. Make sure you have it straight, and don't bend this pin right here. Just slide in really easy. There you go. Put the 4 bolts back, and for the connector, when you put it back, you're gonna snap this down. Now I'm gonna key on. I believe it's gonna turn off the light itself. See, there you go. So I'm gonna go back to Toyota automatic. So I've done a few of these. I've done the 2.4, the 3.0. Most of the time the ABS module go out. Now I'm gonna try to read the code. There shouldn't be code because the light clears. So if there's code left, just clear it, and nope, not that one. If there's code, might be old code. Bosch code. Battery low voltage. Oh, that's it. That's not code for the ABS, so I'm just gonna clear it. There you go. There you go. So the light went away, so that is the right dial, guys. So there's no more code. Toyota have issue with the ABS module too. I've done a few of these. It's very simple to fix, but that is it for this video, guys. If you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.